guys, I'm going to do my little video how to feature bird. I hope you don't mind again. Okay, but we're going to have a special guest, and it's going to be dun 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 dun. Hey, what about me? Oh, I'm sorry, I meant guests. 2 guests tonight. Today, and there are going to be Rarity and Rainbow Dash, yay! And because they are our rock stars, because they performed in Rarity Can't Find Her Comb, plus Rarity's Missing Comb. There's the same thing. It's just sorry I forgot to tie out the right thing. Okay, along with this thing. Okay, now we're just going to have to dump the bird seed out. Okay, sorry about the cat. That's Lady's cat. I know she's really big, but if you're a Pegasi, you can just you could just lift the bag up the Just a second, let me call Rainbow Dash. Oh my god, my main! Rainbow Dash! What do you need? Can you lift this bag of birds? Can you lift this bag of bird seed up into there? Sure. Okay. Just wait a second. Okay, we had an incident. Do you want to look at it or not? Okay, you can look at it. We're so sorry. We didn't mean to do it. Okay, let's clean up. This might take a while. Okay, okay, let's give this to the bird, yay! Okay, this is what a healthy living bird looks like. Oh, bird. Okay, well, we're having some problems. There we go. There we go. There we go. Cute little picture of her. Yay! Yay, if you can see her. There she goes. Right there. Yay! Oh, Lisa, you're a little rock star. That's what my bird is named. Lisa. Yay! Well, I hope you liked my video. We really did have a big incident, but watch out for the next one. How to give water to the bird. Yay! Well, I think you already know how to do that. So I won't make a video of that. Okay, bye! 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 I'm the rock star. Wee! Oh, yeah.